How to find Calgary Equine dental burrs. 1. Search online. Start with a Google search using keywords like Calgary Equine dental burrs for sale or by Equine dental burrs Calgary. 2. Visit veterinary supply websites. Check websites like Equine Dental Instruments, PowerFloat, Net, or Patterson Veterinary for availability. 3. Check e-commerce platforms. Sites like eBay, Amazon, or Alibaba often list specialized veterinary tools, including dental burrs. 4. Contact local distributors. Reach out to equine supply stores or veterinary equipment distributors based in Canada. 5. Ask industry professionals. Connect with equine vets or dental technicians who might recommend reliable suppliers. 6. Attend equine trade shows. Events and expos often showcase equipment and provide supplier contacts. 7. Verify product authenticity. Ensure the burrs are made from high-quality stainless steel and fit your existing dental tools. 8. Compare prices and reviews. Always compare costs and read user feedback before purchasing. Finding the right burrs ensures effective and safe dental care for horses.